My name is Sydney Wagner. I'm the Associate Product Manager for the Waukesha Cherry-Burrell Nutrition and Health brand. Today we're talking about the new vertical lift for the Votator 2 scrape surface heat exchanger. Customers are going to be really excited for the new Votator vertical lift due to the additional flexibility, being able to have access to 2 shafts at once to allow for faster turnaround time, less impact on their own production. I think maintenance teams are going to be really excited to see how easy it is to use and how much our tools actually guide the lifting and lowering process. So it's so much less for them to worry about, and they can rely much more on our design improvements and the robustness of the design. In specific industries such as meat processing, Votators are actually cleaned every single day. So this isn't something that is saving time once a week or every 2 weeks. This is something that's saving the customer time and production time and really less waste on their own process every single day or multiple times a day, depending on what the application is.